Today we're going to open Hairdorables. Today we're going to open Hairdorables. Here's the front. Here's the side. Here's the other side. Here's the back. 36 dolls to collect, so that means I need to get 36. If I have the whole collection, that means I got 36. I think I'm just going to go to my local Walmart, because they might have these. I want them to be available like tomorrow or something. That would be fun. I got ones at the toy fair. There's 36 dolls to collect. 1 accessory, 2 accessory, signature card, stickers, a comb, shoes, and a collector list. There's 11 surprises, and don't forget your doll. There's like so many pictures of dolls that you can collect. I'll just let you look at it for a minute. There's hashtag #InsToLove. So let's see what's inside. Let's open it. Okay, I'm gonna open it. Okay, it's opened. Now how do I open it? It says pull when you take off this layer. You need to have scissors to open these. Okie dokie. Then pull. It sort of opens like a wardrobe. So let's open it anyways. Ooh, what did I get? Huh? What? I have no idea who I got. I'm looking at the collector's guide. So this is what the checklist looks like. So let's see what I got. Let's see, it says Pop 1. Okay. Ooh, it's a mystery container. That's cool. Get it out, it's cool. If you look down, you can see what you're getting. I popped the number 1 and I got this. This is what came out of number 1. So, and it says, here we go, here we go. Ooh, it's stickers and a comb. I got some stickers and a comb. Let's see number 2. So let's pop out 2. I think this thing is for DOLLS. It looks like some more shoes. And this is what came out of number 2. You go, Curl. It says you go, Curl. Yay, it's stickers. What? It's stickers and a cell phone. So this is a cell phone. Hey guys, I decided to try it right now. Let's see. Open. Peel phone, and then it turns into a phone. Here's the little phone that I made. So here's the phone. And then here's the shoes. I think it's cute. Let's see what number 3 has for us today. It looks like somebody's wardrobe. This is what came out of number 3. Love your style, it says. see what Love Your Style has for us. Ooh, what's this? It's a soccer ball with some. It's a soccer ball comb with some hair. And this is the sticker. I got this sticker. It says Teen Cuteness. So here's a soccer ball clip, which one of the dolls might wear. It also has a soccer ball. Wonder who I get. She must be sporty. Let's see the last one. This is number 4. Let's open the last one, number 4. Okay. I wonder what this one says. It's doll or words. I'm guessing words because there have been a lot of dolls. Yes. Share Yes. Let's open it and see what Share Genius wants to share with us. Water bottle. So it comes with a water bottle, and here's another sticker. I'm gonna put them like this because it's cute. And there's a water bottle. So here's the water bottle and the sticker that came in there. I like it. Last one, everybody. Cross your fingers to see who it is. Cross your fingers. I'm opening the doll. Stop, open me last, it says. Okay. Now it should say go. Open me now. We did everything. Wow. Who did I get? Look, it looks like a closet where she came out of. So cool. Looks like a closet what she came out of. Let's see who is in it. Let's see what's in here. Ha. Okay. Here's a doll. Yeah, I like her. I wonder what she is. Her name is Brilliant Brit. She plays soccer. I got Brilliant Brit and she plays soccer. So this is what the Series 1 checklist looks like. What's on the back? Ooh, look it. It's a welcoming to Hairdorables. It says big hair, don't care. There is 12 dolls, but they just have different outfits. There's really just 12 dolls, but if you want to collect all, it's 36. And this is Series 1. Okay, I'm gonna put on her shoes. Her hair is big, I know. Here's Brit. So this is Brit. She is pink and glittery. I like that she has a water bottle. She has shoes on. I like that she came with stickers. So this is her card, and there's a puzzle piece at the back. Favorite color is neon yellow. The claim to fame is that she's a soccer star. Her motto is ready to kick it. So this is everything that came in the package. There's a box, there's a collector's guides, there's stickers, there's a phone, there's a hairbrush, and then there's also a card. And you get a big box that you can keep her in, maybe. I hope you enjoyed my opening of the Hairdorables from the Sweet Sweet Toy Fair. It's going to be $12.99. So if you have $12.99, then yeah, buy it. I hope you enjoyed my opening of Brit. Bye.